Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. This is the 2016, the Ford F150. Stock number is 7308. A virtual video walkaround is going to allow you to see this truck up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. This truck does, of course, have the 3.5-liter V6, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo, AC, fully loaded. We're going to show you the exterior in just a second. This is the XTR package. Making our way around the rear, going into the driver's side exterior. Absolutely an impeccable truck. Only 30,000 miles on this truck also. That's pretty incredible. Making our way into the interior, as you can see, ample leg room, lots of room, comfort in the rear for friends or family, or just throwing the dog or cargo back there. Easy access to all the fully loaded controls within arm's length. And as we make our way out, she's a pretty sharp looking truck. For information on this one or any other vehicles in our inventory, call, email, or give us a text. Most of all, we look forward to meeting you in person, so come on down to Sunset Ford. Home of warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You just get more at Sunset Ford.